Is your Honda Fit key fob, 2009-2013 models, not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This video will guide you through replacing it. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or coin and a CR232 battery, readily available at most stores or online for $1 to $5. First, gently pry open the fob case, typically at the back seam. Be careful not to crack the plastic by applying too much force. Note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up before removing it. Install the new CR232 battery with the positive side facing up, and then snap the case back together securely. Test by pressing buttons to ensure the remote works within 10 to 20 feet of the vehicle. If the remote still isn't working after a battery replacement, there are a couple of things to try. Make sure the case is fully closed and the battery contacts are clean. Sometimes the fob needs to be reprogrammed. You can try cycling the vehicle's ignition or using a DIY reprogramming method found in online tutorials, which involves using your physical key in the driver's side door lock while pressing the fob buttons. If these steps don't work, the issue may be a faulty internal chip or receiver module in the car, requiring professional diagnosis and potentially costing $50 to $100 at a dealership. To prevent future issues, avoid moisture and extreme temperatures, which can drain the battery faster. Consider sealing the fob with clear tape for added protection.